Figured I needed to clean off some table space, and while I've got the welder not working too well, this Miller CST 125 has been sitting here and not doing anything. So what I'm going to do is double check the wiring. This right now currently is a 3-phase 230 volt 30 amp plug that's on here, and yeah, that's something I don't have handy right now. So do we get in a converter? I don't really want to spend more money on this. I can wire this single phase. I just need to double check with Miller to verify. To me, the schematics probably are clear, but I want to make sure I don't miss anything in wiring this single phase. So, okay, anyways, I'll have an update video once I get this figured out. Until next time, bye for now. Be safe, stay healthy, and Christ be with you.